Yes.
Okay. So I just wanted to just do a closing wrap up. First off, wanted to thank all the speakers, Ted from Metadata Game Changers, Franco from Zeus, Chris from NAN, and David from MagLab. And just take a minute to see if anyone had any last minute questions for the speakers. Okay, all right. So tomorrow, we'll be starting again at tomorrow, Thursday, January 23rd. We'll be starting again at 9 o'clock Pacific time, and we'll have speakers from NERI. Dan will be joining us from NERI, Benedict from IceCube, Love Jameson from LIGO, William from LSST, and Jeff from OI will all be joining us tomorrow. And thanks, we're looking forward to our speakers tomorrow as well. And on Friday, we'll start again at 9 o'clock, and we'll have Christine from Neon, we'll have Bob from NSO, Ben from ONC, and Rob from Earthscope. And so that's our schedule for the next couple of days. I just wanted to thank everyone again, the speakers and everyone who came to participate. And just a friendly reminder that you can continue the discussion on our Slack channel and visit the website for any information. So if you're looking for the timetables of the speakers and talks, feel free to take a look at that. Feel free to chat us on the Slack if you need anything, and we look forward to seeing you all tomorrow and Friday. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.